Hello, my name's Frank. Welcome to Learning in Technology's Quick Tips for Teams. Have you ever had a dog barking in the background, or maybe the noise of some sort of mechanical device that's interfering with your team? Well, we can use noise suppression in Microsoft Teams. In this quick tip, I'll show you how to turn off and modify noise suppression to reduce background noise in Microsoft Teams. Hey everybody, so as you can see, I'm in a meeting. I've got a meeting running on my system, and I have a piece of paper, and I like crunching up pieces of paper. And you can see that that's making some noise that everybody can sort of hear while I'm working, crunching up this piece of paper. Maybe I'm, rustling a bag. Maybe I've got some noise in the background. Somebody's vacuuming, or somebody is, dogs barking, babies crying. So what I can do is I actually went into my system underneath my username here, and underneath settings, if I go to devices, I actually have my noise suppression turned off. That was just for the purposes of this demo. I'm now going to go in and I'm going to put noise suppression on high. And if I go back into my meeting here, so now I've got noise suppression on high. And I'm going to go in, and now I'm doing the same thing. I'm rustling the piece of paper. But you can see that the system is working to suppress that noise. Okay, so we have that in there. Now, it is important to bear in mind that a lot of microphone systems also have noise suppression on them. So your results will vary dramatically depending on whether your system already has microphone systems that support noise suppression, or whether or not you're working with a system that doesn't support noise suppression inherently in the devices themselves. But Office Teams actually allows you to put a Teams-based noise suppression as well. So lots of noise suppression out there to try to cut out this distracting background noise. So hopefully you're not hearing too much of it. Thank you for watching. I hope that was useful. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and longer videos, and share with any colleagues that might benefit from this information. Thank you for watching. Here's some other videos you can check out on my channel.